Hey guys, welcome to the Greenway project. Today we are installing a tamper-proof plug. To get started, you want to turn the power off to the room, and then you want to double check that the power is off before you touch any wires or take anything out of the wall. I'm going to go over quickly what a tamper-proof plug is. I have babies and toddlers, so we are installing a plug that has a safeguard inside of it instead of on the front, so we will no longer need the baby proofed plugs that plug into your thing. My first step I'm going to do is I cut the wires off the back. If I can, I try to save as much wire as possible, but for the most part these were pretty stuck in there, so I'm just going to chop them off. So in a outlet plug we have a black wire, which is a hot wire, so if I was going to get zapped it would have happened already. We have a white wire, and there's two of those because it jumps to the next box, and then there's the ground wire, and in our case that is a neutral wire. My plug is finally free, which means that we're going to get ready to put in our new plug. So I am going to use my wire strippers, and I'm going to strip just the last 1/4 of an inch off of the plastic off of each of these wires so they can be inserted into our new plug. We are going to just speed things up a little bit, so if you have any questions, just put them down in the comments. Once those are all stripped, on the back of your plug it's going to say black and white. It's very simple. There are two little holes, and you're just going to want to push your wire into each of those holes. There's also going to be a ground on the side, and that's what I'm screwing in right now. That one simply just wraps around a screw, and then I just tighten it in to make sure that it won't come loose. And then as you can see, I am just pushing the wires into the holes. Alright, once our wires are back in the holes, we're going to just put our outlet back in the wall, screw it in with the 2 screws that it came with, and replace our face plate. And there you go. You've changed an outlet, and it's super simple, super easy, nothing to be scared about, and we get rid of all those baby proofing caps that have to go on over every outlet for safety. Follow us and like us for more content. Thank you at the Greenway Project.